大家好，欢迎大家来到万门大学。那么今天呢，我们继续来讲解一下 TPO 的24和25两套题。那么老样子，还是分3个部分来为大家讲解。首先呢，我们进行到第一部分，也就是1、2题的同讲。我们一起先来看一下24套题的第一题。首先来阅读一下题目的要求。Talk about a popular gathering place in your town where people like to go.Describe the place and explain why people enjoy going there. 那么这个地方要让咱们谈一下地点类的题。那么 a gathering place 就是人们汇集的一个地方，而且people like to go， 大家都很愿意去。那么可以想一下原因是什么？大家为什么愿意去？咱们可以想到比如说可以举一个公园，或者是一个训练场，或者是一个运动场。那么首先咱们可以想到为什么这个地方人们大家愿意去呢？可以想到环境非常优美，或者人非常友善，或者是那是一个大家可以放松休闲交谈的一个地方。你又从中收获了什么，或者看到大家收获了什么都可以。我们就可以通过这几个方面来思考一下。那么我们一起来参考一下这一份答案。As far as I am concerned, Zhongshan Park is one of the most welcome spots.for citizens to visit for some critical reasons. As for me, it's the closest scenic spot to my home. Actually, it takes only 5 minutes to walk there. It is the only natural park in the downtown, so it's the most popular place for recreation, especially on weekends. And its natural atmosphere is perfect too.With all the shade of the trees that surround the park and flowers planted delicately. 那么环境非常的优美，可以看到这些咱们可以套用的这些词。Visitors always inhale fresh air while taking exercise in the park, especially in the mornings. 可以看到如果说加了 s 就不止一个早晨，可能每天早晨是这样子。I can always see young people jogging along paved tracks and old folks performing shadow boxing. Jogging 慢跑是美国人经常用，也是早上锻炼的一种方式。他们不会说 running， 而是说 jogging， 比较地道一些。我们接着来看一下25套题的第一题。Students often want to get better grades in their classes.Explain what students should do in order to improve their performance in the class. 大家都想学好，那么你可以给2条建议，大家如何学好。那么学习上咱们除了刻苦之外呢，还要善于发现问题等等。咱们可以按照这个思路多问自己几个什么或为什么。If students want to improve their performance in class, I would suggest the following 2 ways.First of all, ask questions more frequently, especially to the professors. When a student confronts with tough math problems, 那么遇到一些难题after the new class and cannot figure them out individually, he could try to contact with the professor and explain the concept as well as several solutions to the question.Secondly, do more practice. As an old Chinese saying tells us, practice makes perfect. 那么熟能生巧。For example, if he does more practice in the concept of Newton's law of motion in physics, he will gain a deeper understanding of it. As a result, he can increase his ability of solving such physical problems.These are 2 ways I'd like to advise to get better grades. 我们可以提出2点，第一个多问问题，第二个熟能生巧。那么以上呢就是第一题，那么下面我们来讲解第2题。首先看一下24套题的第2题。那么同样的一个 statement， 你到底同不同意呢？ Students benefit more from classes with a large number of students than they do from smaller classes.Use specific examples and details to support your opinion. 学生究竟是在大课里面学到的东西比较多，还是在小课里面学到的东西比较多呢？你同意大课比小课更好吗？ 大家可以思考一下，大课有什么好处，那么小课有什么好处？我们可以想一下，小课呀，当然每个同学得到老师那种注意力啊，可能就更多一些，而且呀，教课内容啊，教课效率会更高一些。为什么呢？因为大家可以经常的交流。我们可以从这个方面呀，再多想几条。I don't agree with this statement. 那么首先啊，摆明自己的观点。I believe students benefit more from small classes than from large classes. 那么也是啊，把自己这个观点一定要再重新重述一遍，比较清晰，也让自己啊理清思绪。First of all， 那么第一条 ，There are many students in a large class and it's usually in a big lecture hall. Teachers or lecturers will always focus on their own topic. 你就不管那些同学了。There aren't as many interactions in it as in a small class. In small classes, students are allowed to make discussions. Also, students can get more attention from teachers and thus have more opportunities to voice themselves. 那么就有更多的机会来交互，然后发表他们的看法了。Secondly, in a large class, if there is a point a student doesn't understand, he or she might be left behind. While in a small class, teachers gave attention to every student, so no one will be left behind. 我们可以大班小班啊进行一下对比。那么大班啊有什么东西做不到，那么小班可以弥补这个缺陷。大家可以对比着这样思考一下。我们接着来看下一套题的第二题。那么这是两种情况，你同意哪一种？ Some people do not enjoy shopping and shop only when they have a specific purchase to make. Others like to go shopping for pleasure, whether or not they have something to buy. Which do you prefer and why? 那么一个是有针对性的去买，另外一个啊就是开心就买。那么一看就是土豪的行为啊，第二种。那么咱这种穷屌丝们啊，当然会比较支持第一种了。那么第一种呢，首先啊，你如果有一个很明确的购买目标的话，你会知道，会很省时间，因为你一条一条的都列出来的话，找寻他们，然后有目的的去买，就非常省时间，而且呀，不会像土豪一样挥霍那么多钱。所以这就是咱们可以利用的两条论点。我们再举一些例子就更好了。Personally, I prefer to go shopping when I need to buy something, and there are two reasons for that. 大家可以养成一种这样的习惯，就是先把自己的两条原因啊说出来，让老师有针对性的去找你的两条原因。First of all, I can save a lot of time for my study. For example, currently I'm up my neck. 我非常忙呀 preparing for the SAT. I get up at 6 a.m. to practice my reading and writing skills, and I don't go to bed until 10 p.m. Surely there's no time for me to waste wandering about in malls or outlets. And I could also save a lot of money, because when I'm out there shopping for pure pleasure, I'd shop till I drop. When my life is hectic, I will be a shopaholic, and I once spent 1,000 yuan on a pair of shoes that I don't even have a chance to wear. What a terrible waste. 那么举了自己的一个小例子，还是有针对性的买啊，比较省钱。那么就印证了这个第二个论点。大家也可以举一些自己的例子，不必要太长啊，可能一句话就可以了。那么以上呢就是咱们第一部分的全部内容。